Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. It's your boy. We're back again to the FTF Forex lessons. And today's video, as I always say, it's different. Today is the overview of how I took this beautiful trade, the beautiful setup that took during last weekend, I think it was Thursday, between Thursday and Friday. And we are going to show you how I did the trade, how I came up with this beautiful setup, and we'll be back with you after the intro.
Salam alaikum.
Alaikum assalam. Salam alaikum.
Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. So just great and interesting intro, right? So guys, this trade today last week was beautiful, and let's jump right away on the overview. Okay, right now we are on the 4-hour time frame. We're just gonna bar replay this quick. Right there. So guys, we're on the 4-hour time frame. The first thing that we did was identifying our market direction. As you guys can already see, it was already on the downtrend. These trends, guys, they are not on scale. They are really not on scale. I just draw the lines to mark the market direction. The reason why I drew this line because to mark my direction. If you guys watched the previous videos how to identify market structure, you will know why I drew this line. Don't forget to go watch it and like, share, and subscribe as always. So I saw this fair value gap right over here that the market left before opening. That was last week before opening. Before the market opened on Monday, it left this fair value gap on the 4-hour time frame, and before that, I already had my trend line, knowing that the market has to come fill up the gap. So I already drew my fair value gap. I waited for the market to reach my fair value gap, and then we jumped on the 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame. When the market reached our zone, as you guys can see, when the market reached our fair value gap zone here, we drew our first order block on the 1-hour time frame. After we drew it, I waited for the market to reach our 1-hour zone order block. Let's quickly play that. So let's wait. The market created this low over here. It went into the zone. Just wait a bit. Market is consolidating in the 1-hour zone, and boom, it broke the structure. This was a valid break of structure. As you can see, no candlestick there pulling up. It's straight a full candlestick. No wick there retracing and then breaking the structure. This is a full candlestick, full body breaking that previous low, and that makes our break of structure valid, very, very valid. The thing is, the market went in the order block and break the previous low, and now we are looking for our next order block. That's we're gonna wait for the market to enter. So the thing is, I saw this wick right over here, and I already knew that this is a queen order block. Queen order blocks is like order blocks that are hidden in wicks. If you go on the lower time frame, you will find them. So we jump straight on our lower time frame, which is the 5-minute time frame. Is where I basically enter my trades. Go there. So as you can see, this is directly an order block, right? An order block, or as a supply zone or a supply zone, but direct not this is really a supply zone, but the other block is in the supply zone. As you can see that candlestick over there. So if we play, let's just play it a bit faster. For me to make my entry more valid, I always have to wait for liquidity and then I can take my trades. As you guys can see, I marked my liquidity line over there. Tap, goes taps again there, and boom. Let's just wait a bit. Okay, let me pause right there. The reason why I marked this liquidity zone here, because I saw that market tapped on this support, no, resistance level. It tapped a lot of times. It tapped double top or double bottom of some traders call it, but this is in this scenario is a double top, and the market tapped and it pushed downwards, and that confirms that there's a liquidity there. There's a lot of retail traders are trading with that area, with that zone. So I marked it as already as like a zone of liquidity, so I already know what's coming up. If you just play it a bit forward, the market is consolidating a bit, and this happened on Friday or Thursday, if I assume. Let me see. Yeah, Friday. Okay, the market, boom, market already grabbed the liquidity. As I said, the market grabbed our liquidity and it was busy going in our order block. Guys, we suffered a bit of a drawdown, but it was more okay. I entered this trade early because sometimes the market doesn't go above the 50% retracement Fibonacci, 50 about the 50% Fibonacci. But in this scenario, the market had another intention, so it went above the 50%. So if I draw this order block right here, the market went and tapped that other block, but for us it's from here to here. As you can see, the way the 50%, the way the 0.5 is where the market went. But in my scenario, I was like contemplating that the market might not go above the 50, and we went a bit early and we suffered a drawdown, but the market didn't stop us out. You see, the market went above the 50% retracement tool and Fibonacci, and the market had other ideas. The market showed that it wanted more. It wanted to take out other traders, for example, supply and demand traders who already entered and made their stop loss probably above somewhere there. And the market showed that it wanted a discount. It's more about discount and premium pricing. So I'll make a video about that, inshallah, in the near future. So that's how I, but for me, I was a bit contemplating because my recent trades, when I always put my trades above the 50% rule or above my premium or discount pricing, the market always intends just to tap below the 50% or above the 50%, and the market doesn't take my buy limit or my sell limit. In this scenario, I decided to not take a risk, and I was really interested to stake in this trade, and I took this trade right up below the 50%, and the market really took my my sell limit. Sorry guys, my sell limit, and we suffered a bit of a drawdown, but I wasn't aware of this drawdown. But in the market showed us that this is how the trade went, and the reason why we targeted this low because while the market was retracing and going into the order block zone, the market left lots of liquidity levels, and this made our trade more valid to trade on, and that's why I put my take profit right there. Let me just put it on. That's why I put my take profit there, because that low needs also to be taken out. And let me just type it for you guys to see where my target was. And let's play it out. The market played in a direction. If you wait, let's wait. And the market was a bit misbehaving, just a bit consolidating, maybe just in the, and boom. After the New York Open, the market showed us that it had other ideas and take profit. And yeah, that's how the trade went. It was a beautiful setup actually, and this gave me was it 1 to 5? Yeah, 1 to 5 ratio. Is it 4.3? Yeah, 1 to 5 ratio. And this is actually a beautiful trade, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll drop other videos inshallah in the near future. And I'll see you guys next week. Before I leave, I want to add something. I'll show you the clip how I took the trade, and yeah, I'll show the clip how I took the trade, how I closed the trade, and how I took the take profit just now. For my update, so we closed the trade, it hit my take profit, and yeah, we are in this. It hit my take profit, and we made about 807 dollars, $807 ish. Well, this is getting started. Now we are back on 3,434. Yee! See you on day 4, guys. See you on day 4. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit like and share and subscribe with your friends. If any questions, always know to hit me up in the comments down below. Don't forget to follow any of our socials, ftf.fx on Instagram and on other platforms.
Salam alaikum.